Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix entry point not found dynamic link library error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search for Visual C++ redistributables for Visual Studio 2013. Just search it and after that click on the first link. Scroll down. Select your language and select the download option, and now you just need to select the system type guys over here. In my case, my system type is 64-bit. If you don't know your bit, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click on open it. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. In here you just need to find the system type. As you can see your system bit over here. After knowing that, just need to close stuff here. If you are using 32-bit, then you just need to check mark this 86.exe. In my case I am using 64-bit, so that I am check marked in x64. After that click on download option and download it. After getting download and click on it and install it. If you have install option, then select the install option. If you have repair option, then select the repair option. After getting set up successfully, you just need to close out of here and go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. After getting verification 100% complete, you just need to close tab here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.